It's a beautiful day, and the King of Glory is seated upon his throne. He looked down on earth looking for someone to bless, and I think this is your time. You might face several times, but that is not the end of your life. People might not believe in your dreams, but that is not the end of your life. A lot of people have become successful in life. The great people in our society, they become optimistic about the future. The only Spartan discipline that you can emblematize is the art of courage. Master the art of courage and get along with it. There are a lot of things, glorious and bountiful things on the way that the Lord has prepared for you. You shall be the head but not the tail. You shall become successful. Don't forget, neglect the naysayers, those that don't believe in your dream. Forget about them. Whatever negative thing that people tell you or say about you, forget about it. Get along, pull up your seat belt and run faster. Run as far as you can, because the Spirit of the Lord is upon your life. God bless you and stay blessed. Subscribe to the channel.